I didn't flee and I didn't kick you.
So those lights and sirens mean nothing? We're just out here.
Can I call my father?
No.
He owns the island.
Why were they pulled over, first of all? Now don't call me miss, I'm commissioner. Thank you.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to turn him loose.
I can't turn him loose, Bruce.
Sometimes you just need your mom and dad, but during an arrest is not the time to request their help. We're breaking down 6 times parents got involved in their grown child's arrest. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. We begin today's episode in San Juan County, Utah. It's the day after Thanksgiving in 2022, and deputies have pulled over Kenneth Adams. Kenneth had previously entered a guilty plea in a burglary and theft case from 2020, but this stop is just for minor traffic infractions for the time being.
How's it going?
Good. What did I do wrong?
Good. So the reason I stopped you is you didn't come to a complete stop at the stop sign?
I did.
And then you didn't have your turn signal on?
I sure did.
Okay.
I know for a fact I had my turn signal on.
Okay.
That's why I was surprised you were pulling me over, but whatever.
Okay. Do you have your vehicle insurance and registration?
I sure do.
1-830-1804.
Okay.
Area card, cancel ATL on welfare tech.
I'll be right back. I'll run this and get back to you, okay?
But the traffic stop takes a turn when the deputies realize Kenneth has an active warrant. But Kenneth finds that hard to believe.
All right, can I get you to step out of the vehicle with me?
What are you doing? No, what's going on? Seriously, what's going on?
You have a warrant.
How do I have a warrant?
I don't know how you have a warrant, but it's on our system right now. You have an active warrant out of 7th District Court here in San Juan.
I've gone to, no, that's incorrect.
Okay.
I've gone
well, it's on our system right now.
Well, you
I'm not going to argue with you about it. You're going to go to jail tonight on that warrant, okay?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I don't. Excuse me, no.
Okay.
This is, dude. This is absurd.
Mr. Adams, you do have an active warrant for your arrest.
And
so,
who issued the warrant though?
The courts have it issued.
For what though? Because I've gone to court for everything. There should not be an active warrant for me anywhere, dude. That's what I'm saying. So
we're
I
not
want you
going to
guys to
argue
double
with you
check
tonight, because that is what the information we go off with. And the courts aren't open right now.
When did it go on there? No, that's not.
Do you
right,
want me to see when it was issued?
Yeah. Please.
Okay, but
can you please tell me when it was issued?
Yep. If you step out of the car, I'll let you know.
Okay, but this is. Why were you guys sitting there? Is my question.
All right.
It's like you were sitting there waiting for me.
Step out of the car.
What's that?
I'm calling my parents.
Okay, you can call them. I'm going to put you in cuffs real quick.
I'm getting arrested. Apparently they say that there's a warrant out for my arrest on, and there's not. But I'm out by Eastland. I'm getting arrested right now. Eastland. And they're arresting me right now. The cops are, Mom. Who else would arrest me? Good question. They said that I didn't. They said I didn't stop at the stop sign. So he pulled me over, and I somehow automatically have a warrant out for my arrest that I never knew about. Mom, I wish I was kidding you. If you want to talk to the officers right here, you can. Turk and I don't know what this other kid's name is.
Giddings.
Some Giddings guy.
Here, hand your phone to Deputy Turk right there.
You want to hang up?
So yeah, Mom. So I'm going to jail. So I'm going to jail. Mom, they are handcuffing me right now. I've asked them for the warrant, and they don't tell me anything about a search warrant. So.
For using blowup?
Nothing. Not for using anything, Mom. They're arresting me because they said there was a warrant for me.
Okay, I'm hanging the phone up.
No, I'm not kidding, Mom.
Do you have anything else on you?
No, I do not.
Check it real quick. Keys to the car. The wallet in there. Okay, nothing in your waistline?
No.
All
right. I have something on my waistline. You act like I'm like some hardened criminal. Dude.
No, that's just...
Bring without issues.
We're going to look
please
at it
look,
right now.
And so what if this is a mistake? Then what are you going to do?
If it's a mistake, then you can be released. But...
Well, then my question is who... This is a joke. This is seriously the biggest joke I've ever heard of. When you turned on your lights, I knew there was some going on.
Okay. Can I have you look that way real quick while I put your seatbelt on?
It was issued October 13th.
For what?
This year. That's when the warrant was issued.
For what?
Some felony charges, burglary charges.
Dude, I've been to court for that.
Okay.
No, I've been to court for that.
All right, let's do this, officer.
Look that way real quick so I can put your seatbelt on.
Well, if I've been to court, then why am I getting arrested?
I don't know. I don't know what all the court's purposes are for filing the warrant. All I know is there is a warrant, okay? So that's going to be up to you and the courts to be able to figure that out, all right?
Kenneth's father is Bruce Adams, a longtime commissioner in San Juan County. The deputies called him to come pick up his son's car. But when Bruce got to the scene, he wasn't happy. The deputy wrote in his report that Bruce wanted to see the, quote, MFing warrant right away. The deputy wrote, quote, "It appeared to me that Bruce was trying to use his influence as a county commissioner to intimidate me into showing him information that I was not permitted to. He realized his body camera was off at this point, and then he switched it on."
What do you want me to do?
Well, we're letting you take the car so we don't have to impound it.
I don't want it impounded.
I know, that's why we're letting you take it.
Okay. Where's Kenneth?
He's in jail. They took him.
You already took him to jail?
They took him to jail and I stayed here with the car.
Why?
For a warrant.
Who do I call to find out?
To find out the warrant?
You're a police officer. Tell me who I call to find out why he's in jail.
Do you want me to call? I'll call Chaz and see what I can do.
Please do.
I will.
Right this minute.
I will, right now. But I can't show you stuff that I run or I get fired. I didn't pull him over.
Who did?
Braden Giddings pulled him over.
Why?
I think he said he didn't stop and he didn't signal at the intersection up here. Hey, boss.
The deputy checks in with his boss, who agrees that Bruce can look at the warrant so they can try to de-escalate the situation.
What does it say? Read it to me.
Okay, so it says warrant status active, offense burglary, burglary, theft, criminal mischief, burglary of a vehicle, burglary of a vehicle, burglary of a vehicle.
He's already been to court over that.
Criminal trespass, normal 7th District Court, Monticello. Bruce, we don't have anything to do with that. All we know is that the warrant issues a current. That the court issues a warrant. That's all we know.
Hell, he's been to court and been charged. He has a plea in abeyance on all that.
I don't know, Bruce. I have no idea.
Who knows?
The courts. The courts are the only ones who know.
I can't get to the court until Monday.
Right.
Because of a son of a false arrest.
You saw the warrant right there. I showed you a warrant.
He's been charged with that, and he has a plea in abeyance on all of it.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
I want you to turn him loose.
I can't turn him loose, Bruce.
Who can?
Nobody can. He's been arrested for a warrant. The courts can.
And the warrant's false.
Huh? The warrant's not false. The warrant's right there.
Do you want me to sue the son of a county sheriff because he arrested my kid on a false warrant?
The warrant's right there. It's not false.
According to a police report, after the commissioner left, he called the sheriff's office lead investigator to complain. The man called the district court clerk at home so she could figure out what was going on. Turns out the warrant against Kenneth was valid because he was missing several documents related to his probation. Kenneth paid $150 to bond out of jail and turned in the missing documents to satisfy the warrant. Commissioner Adams apologized for his behavior, saying he felt in the moment he was acting as an emotional father and not a county official. From one commissioner to another, and this one ended up getting in way bigger trouble for an even more minor incident. It's March 2018, Easter weekend. The situation starts when a Tenafly, New Jersey police officer pulls over a small sedan with 4 people inside.
Hello, you just put this window down? How you doing today? Good. Hey, I'm just stopping you for 2 minor reasons. Okay, the first one is if you're a New Jersey driver, you actually can't have front tinted windows in New Jersey. The second reason is your license plate bracket, the silver bracket with some writing on it, is obscuring the whole outside of the plate. I actually could barely tell what state the license plate's from. I think it's Nevada, is that true? Okay, I can just read like the bottom part of it, and I can't read the bottom of the... Exactly. Yeah. You just have your license on, your registration insurance? Check that out.
The officer tries to find information on the car, which is allegedly registered to the mother of the front seat passenger. Her boyfriend is the one driving, so the officer has him step out to explain the situation.
Step out here for a second, let me talk to you in the back. Straight back there. So, yesterday.
Yeah.
Quite some time.
So what is it?
All right. So, and that's what I was stopping you. One other reason why I was stopping you. See that Henderson? The license plate needs to be fully readable. Okay. You can't have anything blocking it. You can see how kind of hard to read the word Nevada unless you're really on top of it or you're familiar with what Nevada plates look like. A lot of it's obstructed too. I'm sure it says something. I didn't even look underneath there. So it's a very minor reason. If it was just that, I probably would have just given you a warning, 99.9% chance of it.
Yeah.
All right, but unfortunately, we can't have an unregistered car that's operating on the street.
Okay. So what is it? Just walk me through this.
Since the car's going to be impounded, the 4 people will need a ride. One of the backseat passengers lives locally, so she calls her mom, Karen Turner.
Somebody on the way? Yeah, mom's coming. All right, so let's start taking the stuff out. The impound's here. Okay. All right. Okay, do you have a card? Yeah, I mean, my badge number is on here. I can write my name somewhere on there as well if you want. That'd be great. Yeah, sure. On the back of this one. Okay, perfect.
How long until you get here? Because we need to take everything out of the car and put it in the somewhere. Okay, thank you, Mom.
How long is that going to be?
She's 5 minutes away. She's 5 minutes away.
Like coming up the hill, or
Sorry?
like coming up the hill?
Yes, it's right next to the building.
Okay. Well, start gathering things.
But when Karen Turner gets there, she allegedly flashed her commissioner's badge at the officers and demanded they give her details on the traffic stop.
So you guys are all set? No truck drivers get taken?
What do we need? How do we get the car back?
Valid registration, valid insurance card.
How do they know that this is her car? Like, don't you need to give us a receipt or something? Like, how are they going to know that this one
This is the receipt. This goes on file.
Hi, I'm Karen Turner. Hi. I'm a resident. Here you go.
It's fine. I don't need that.
Okay, fine. I'm Karen Turner.
You're just here as the rider, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor, and been in Tenafly for 20 years. I take full responsibility for them. And what is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Okay.
We're not involved here. You're picking them up?
No. I'm involved. Trust me.
Well,
I'm
not
very
going
involved.
to tell you. He's the driver of the automobile. He's over 18. That's all you need to know.
Okay. If you can...
We don't need to see credentials.
Okay.
We've explained already.
You need a... If you can give me a little bit of space here.
Who is this? Are you a commissioner?
I am a commissioner. One of the commissioners, and I'm heading up.
Do you have an ID with that?
That is my ID, and that is my business card. I am the commissioner of the Port Authority, and I'm heading up over 4,000 police officers. Okay? So, if there's a problem, I think I have...
There's no problem.
Well, I think there's a problem.
It's an unregistered vehicle.
Okay, let's hear, why were they pulled over, first of all?
Miss.
Now, don't call me Miss, I'm Commissioner. Thank you.
Commissioner?
Yes.
All due
Why
respect.
were they pulled over?
All due respect.
Yep. Why
The
they
driver
pulled
will
over?
tell you.
No. I need
Yes,
to know.
ma'am. The car's getting towed now.
Why is the car getting towed?
Go ask him.
No. I'm asking. You're the person
Go ask
who's
him.
ordered it, and trust me.
Miss, this does not involve 1%.
Yeah, it does. It does, because I'm picking them up, and I'm offering to take responsibility for them, and you can't even tell me the charges. I'm also an attorney. So I think if you can't tell me, what is the problem?
That's fine.
Why is it such a difficulty to say why they're being pulled over and why the car's being towed?
Because everything has already been explained.
I know, but I need to know.
Why do you need to know?
Because this is impacting me, because
Why?
I got 4 people who are coming back to my house, including people who live in New Haven attending Yale Graduate School, a PhD student, and I don't know why it's so difficult to say what the problem is. This is impacting me. On Easter Sunday, I got to take 4 people
I'll be honest.
back to New
I'll be honest with
Haven.
you. Should I be frank with you?
Yeah, I want to know what the problem is.
It's more of the way you just approached me and your demeanor.
You know what? Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
I want to know why.
I just don't appreciate your demeanor.
I don't
You're being very demanding with me.
No, I'm asking you a question which is not being answered.
But it doesn't need to be answered. It's irrelevant.
Okay. You know what?
If you'd like to read my report, you come down to the police department records on Monday, and you can get a copy of it.
And you can't.
I am under. There is no. You have no right to know what's going on.
No, I do.
Explain to me why.
Because these are 4 people that I have
You're
to take responsibility.
Why do you have to take responsibility? They're all adults.
That's my daughter.
And she's a
these
backseat
are her
passenger.
friends.
She's a backseat passenger.
And there's a problem with you describing it because you don't feel confident. Why these people are being pulled over?
Your daughter has not been summoned. She was not the driver. This is not her vehicle. It's not your vehicle. How are you involved?
But this is not going to be. If you have a problem explaining what the problem is and why their car is being confiscated, then we have a problem. Trust me, I will be in with the commissioner of police of Tenafly.
Take a step back. Take a step back.
You can't even describe what the problem is.
Take a step back from me. I can't move back any farther. I keep moving back farther, and you keep moving closer to me.
Because you can't
even
take a step back? Put a sentence together on what the problem is.
Because I'm not because of your demeanor.
No, I came in very nicely.
I'm under no legal obligation to tell you.
And I'm under no legal obligation to tell you what I will be doing. But I will.
You can do whatever you would like to do.
She's been
This is a lawful motor vehicle stop. You are here to pick them up. Okay?
Okay.
There's going to be a report.
Yep.
The driver has been advised of everything that's going on.
Okay. I was there for your graduation when you guys came in the town, and it wasn't that long ago.
What graduation? What are you talking about?
Okay.
What graduation when I
came
to
much,
town?
Saditsky and Catherine. Thank you for your information and help. You know what? I hope you have a really nice holiday weekend, too, because you just ruined it for a lot of people. Without even the decency.
No, I didn't ruin anything.
Yeah,
I was doing my job.
Yeah, you did.
I would just hope you, being a commissioner, that you would understand the job police officers have to do. But
there is no explanation. How can I understand?
You
don't
even
have
ask
the
him.
decency.
You didn't even
no,
ask
I'm asking you because you're the one that's making the report, the problem, stating it. I'm going to the source.
I don't appreciate the way you approached me, the way you demanded information, the way you're stating based off of your position in another agency, whatever it may be. I mean, you have a business card with credentials. I don't know you. I just met you a minute ago. You have no official identification.
Louis, what's his name? Schmarodowski?
What does that have to do with anything?
Well, I'm just telling you who I am. I've been in the town for 20 years, and as a courtesy, I would like to understand the rationale for their being pulled over and their car confiscated. This is a courtesy. I don't know why it's so difficult.
I believe you should ask your daughter and the driver of the motor vehicle.
My daughter is a backseat passenger, as you've said. You're making the accusation. I would like to know...
What accusation?
The accusation of I don't know what. You haven't told me. You're telling me to go Monday and read the report.
No, that's not what you said to me.
You said ask them. It's not them. I'm not going to ask the driver what you are accusing them of wrongdoing. I'm asking you because you're the source of the accusation. They are not the source, you're the source. So I'm trying to go to the source. If you want me to go to their side of the story, I will. But I will do that.
I think that's the best thing at this point.
You know what? I'm very disappointed in the way the two of you are acting. You cannot even tell me, a mother living in Tenafly for 20 years with 2 kids who went through the school system, what the problem is. And that's shocking. It's shocking that you can't even give me a sentence.
I think we should conclude this.
I will.
Just for safety reasons, this is a high-speed road. I think we should all get off of the road. It's a little bit dangerous for us being out here as long as we were
Thank
anyway.
Thank you for your concern with my safety.
Okay.
I don't need it. You can't put a sentence together. Sorry.
Okay.
That's pathetic. Okay. And you are a disappointment. And you are just following him. So you are also a disappointment. Okay. You can't put together a sentence of what the problem is.
Are you finished, ma'am?
I'm shocked. I'm shocked and very disappointed. Thank you for your help.
You may take them now.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut the up and not tell me when I may take my kids and her friends who are PhD students from MIT and Yale. You may tell me nothing because you told me nothing. Shame on both of you. I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Badge number
And
540.
I got your name. I got your name.
Just to make sure there's no discrepancy.
There's no discrepancy.
Matt is the first name.
No. Don't you worry.
As long as you got all the information right.
I got all your information, sweetheart. You can't put a sentence together. That's shameful.
Okay.
That's shameful.
Have a pleasant weekend.
You have a wonderful weekend. You're going to...
But it didn't stop there. Karen continued to berate the officer and even questioned the tow truck driver.
Just in terms of the receipt for impound, is that all contained in the certificate?
No,
there is no receipt for impound.
They can't even tell you the name, but the reason. They can't tell me the reason why you're being pulled over.
The police
Are you
impound
tomorrow?
Is that online?
What company are you?
Find out the what?
The location of the impound.
No, it's at the police department.
Okay, cool.
Police headquarters. Yep. You can take it.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Have a pleasant day.
Can't put together... Ruin the perfect holiday weekend. 4 or 5 people.
Have a nice day.
We're going to come back.
Take care now.
You've made 5 people in that truck ride. I hope you're happy. You're
Just doing my job.
And you... No, you're not. You're not.
We'll agree to get pictures of it. How about that?
How about...
Okay.
You're not a nice person.
Okay.
And it's really hard for me to understand why you can't say, the problem is they don't have this or they do have that. 2 sentences. That's
he was told.
not... I
The
asked
driver
you.
couldn't have been any nicer.
I asked you. They're all crying in there.
Driver could have been nicer.
I don't care about the driver being nice or not nice. I asked you, and you can't even put a sentence together. That's a problem.
Because of the way you approached me and your demeanor.
No. I'm sorry.
That's exactly
You
why. I'm
can't
being
put...
honest with you.
Matt, you got a chance to put it together now, but you can't put the sentence together now, other than say you're disappointed. That's fine. We'll go to Ruskin.
You can go to whoever you'd like to go to. It's irrelevant to me.
Okay.
I'm doing my job. I've done nothing inappropriate.
And if I go and say, what's the address and what do we have to do, that's inappropriate too. You need to tell me for that too?
I don't know why you're
Obviously, yeah.
coming over to a vehicle that's lawfully being impounded.
Because I want to know
I
where
don't know what
it's
you're
going.
doing. The driver was advised where it's going, as was your daughter.
I'm not.
Your daughter was very nice as well. She asked and I told her.
Guess what? I'm not so nice. And you can tell that to everybody. And it's fine.
Okay.
And the police have all been in my home, and in my second home, and in the third home in
I don't
Tenafly.
see how that's relevant, but to this situation.
Very smart. I know. Very smart. Maybe you need a few more tattoos over here.
When the video was released in the weeks after the stop, it quickly went viral. Karen resigned from the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey on April 20th, 2018. The State Ethics Commission did an investigation and fined her $1,500.
Sheath Underwear, an underwear I truly love, and not just because they're sponsoring this episode of After Hours, but because they're genuinely just so comfortable. Here's a pair they sent me right here. Look at this design. Look at how cool this is. It's light. It's breathable, comfortable, it's good material. I'm also wearing a pair right now. I'm not going to show you that one, though. Sheath underwear, as I said, it's light, breathable, it's nice and cool, which is helpful, especially as it's warming up outside. And honestly, it's just really quality material. They also fit amazing. I've worn other boxers and underwear before, obviously, and they bunch up, they're loose, they don't stay in place. Not Sheath. Sheath is nice and tight. Overall, it just fits really, really well. So right now you can go to sheathunderwear.com/afterhours for 20% off your order. That's sheathunderwear.com/afterhours for 20% off a truly comfortable pair of underwear. Thank you to Sheath for supporting Law and Crime and for sponsoring this episode of After Hours.
Next, we're in Duck Key, Florida, an island near Key West. An island that this next woman swears her dad owns. It's February 2022, and a Monroe County officer's trying to get this driver of this Tesla to stop after she was allegedly driving recklessly. When the deputy catches up to the parked car, Stephanie Bloodworth is sitting inside.
Turn off a vehicle. turn off of the vehicle. Turn it off. Stand in front of my patrol vehicle right now. Right now. Ma'am.
Sorry, what are you accusing me of?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
You need to come over here right now.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to. You're running from me.
I did not. I'm right here.
Yeah. Now you are.
So, what do you...
Ma'am.
What do you need?
Do you need me to pepper spray you? You need to get over here right now.
For what?
Turn around!
For what?
5011, she's refusing to comply. Hey! Get out of the vehicle.
You got me up, bro. I own this.
Actively resisting. Get out of the Get out of the vehicle! She's taking off! I'm in pursuit again.
Stephanie appears to actually roll the deputy's arm up in the window before she speeds away. When she finally stops the second time, she gets out of the Tesla and seems to be on the phone with her father.
Stop me over. Oh my God, Dad! They're arresting
Stop
me!
resisting!
What the hell, dude? What are you doing?
Don't resist.
What are you doing, dude? You didn't even know me. Dad, they're arresting me.
Stop resisting!
Dad! Dad!
Get on your
Dad! They have me on the floor! Dad! Dad! I don't know what I did! What am I doing? Why are you doing this?
One detained.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why? My dad's in the car. Why are you doing this?
Okay, let go of your phone.
No, I'm not. My dad is on the phone. And he's...
Hey!
Hey!
You are not gonna kick me. This is not okay. Get your leg over here and turn over.
Stephanie repeatedly says she doesn't know why she's been stopped or why she's being detained.
No, this is what happens when you flee and then you kick me.
I didn't flee and I didn't kick you.
So those lights and sirens mean nothing? We're just out here.
Can I call my father?
No.
He owns the island.
5011, you can release the air.
Call my father.
I'm not calling your dad.
Then what are you gonna do?
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, 24, we don't need to call your dad.
Yeah, you're right. And you're not gonna take me in either.
You could have killed someone.
Yes, you could
Yeah, I could have killed you too, but you're alive, right?
The woman asks to speak with her father, who she insists, quote, owns the property they're standing on.
You want to put her in?
You need to notify him.
I don't need to notify anyone. You're an adult.
Who are you?
He's the police.
I didn't know that. I'm not under the
Ma'am,
influence,
listen to me.
dude. My parents have 3 houses here.
Since Stephanie's being combative, the deputies decide it's not worth it to try to get her to do a field sobriety test right now. So they put her in a cruiser. Her father finally got to the scene and did his best to get Stephanie under control.
Dad!
Ma'am.
Dad! Dad!
71-925.
Stephanie, you have to calm down.
Why are they...
Copy, 72-745,
Because you've been drinking. And you were speeding. And now the way you've acted, you've gotten yourself in a deep hole and they're going to take you to jail. You're going to have to. So calm down.
Huh?
She went to the floor. There's nothing I can do.
Just see why.
Calm down. I'll get down there and see you when I can. I'll try to get down there tonight. But you can't start acting out. It's just going to get worse.
What did I do?
Well, you've obviously, I don't know, baby.
What did I do?
You know what you've done.
No, I don't. What did I do? You didn't even read me my rights.
All right, ma'am.
Dad! They didn't read me my rights and they don't tell me why I'm going in!
Ma'am. Ma'am, if you resist, you're going to catch more charges.
I'm not resisting. I'm right here.
Get in the car then, right now.
Dad!
The deputies took Stephanie back to the Monroe County Detention Facility in Key West. Once they were there, they wanted Stephanie to do field sobriety tests, but she seemed to have a hard time understanding the instructions and even stopped to do some stretches.
Heel to toe, turn around by taking a series of small steps. Do I need to show it to you again? No. You sure you understand?
Stretch, though.
You need to stretch?
Well, I just been driving all day.
All right, Stephanie, you have to, we got to start doing this, okay?
She eventually took a breath test and blew a .268. That's more than 3 times the legal limit. Stephanie was charged with resisting an officer, fleeing, reckless driving, and DUI. She entered a no-contest plea to the charges of DUI and resisting an officer, and was sentenced to 2 years of probation.
I want to thank Morgan & Morgan for sponsoring this episode of After Hours and for sending me the sweet hat. Mikey, if you could, zoom in on that. Thank you. Every week with After Hours, these people on the body cams we cover, it proves just how scary and unpredictable the world can be. And let's say, unfortunately, if you're ever injured or if you've ever been injured, you can turn to Morgan & Morgan. They're America's largest personal injury firm with over 1,000 attorneys. Now, how do they have so many attorneys, you might be wondering? That's a really good question. That is because they win, and they win a lot. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan saw verdicts of $12.2 million in Florida, $26 million in PA, and $6.8 million in New York. Mind you, these are all considerably higher than the highest insurance offer. Also, their fee is absolutely free unless you win. You can start a claim and see how much it could be worth all on your phone in 8 clicks or less. They've modernized the personal injury claim process. So to start a claim, go to forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and in the pinned comments.
Next, we're heading to Smith County, Texas, where another minor traffic stop turns into a major blow-up. The county clerk is expected to be sentenced in mid-June after she was convicted of interfering in a traffic stop involving her son. In 2023, a deputy conducted a traffic stop on Cody Voss, who was turning into the driveway of a home. The deputy explained his reasoning to Cody, or at least he tried to.
Hello? Sir? You got a driver's license? I'm Deputy Peters with the Smith County Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today, your tail lights were not working as you were driving on the road, okay? And then you immediately pull into a residence.
I literally have a claim that tail lights are not a crime. I'm not involved in the traffic code. I have a notice here. I literally have a lawsuit going on with Nassau PD.
Okay.
And signed by the judge. This is his dad's house.
He's county. Also not driving. Driving's a commercial.
And I'm not driving. This is the county commissioner's house, county clerk. We just pulled in. Which tail light is out?
It was both of them.
Which one?
Both of your tail lights. None of them were working as you were driving on the roadway.
Cody's friend who lives at home, 38-year-old Derek Phillips, quickly interjects himself, yelling several key phrases often used by sovereign citizens to assert that the police have no authority over them. His mother soon comes out of the home to see what's going on.
You have a driver's license.
I've got a dictionary real quick because he doesn't seem to know the definition.
I'm not involved in the traffic code. Yeah.
So the definition of driving versus the definition of traveling, there's a dictionary.
Okay, let's use this term. You were operating a vehicle on a public roadway. On a public roadway. I'm not, sir. Right now he is being stopped. Okay, you have no involvement.
Okay. Well, actually, I'm actually just being a concerned citizen because I know that
that's
cops
fine.
kill people.
Okay.
So I'm actually just watching.
If you want to be a concerned citizen, add your car, please.
I'm showing you the law because this is actually case law. This is case law showing you the difference between automobile and a
that's not that right now. That's not what we're covering.
You actually don't need to know.
You have a driver's license. I can get you out of here.
What emergency do you have? Because if there's not actually a crime or a victim, then you actually can't even use your red and blue lights.
You're actually trespassing on private property too.
Okay.
We need to see a supervisor.
You were operating on a public roadway.
Stop using that terminology. You're lying. Stop it.
You have a driver's license.
Get your supervisor here for lying right now. You're actually
not at this point in time. If you can provide me with your driver's license.
I'm not.
You have a driver's license.
Yeah, not driving.
I don't answer
questions. Not driving. Don't answer questions. Get your supervisor here for lying on the record.
68. Can I
What's your name and badge number? You're literally lying right now. On the record.
Right now, you are being placed. You are detained. You are being detained. Right now, you're being detained.
If I give you my license,
stop.
Bro, that's crazy. You really, bro? What are you doing?
Wow. Right now you're being detained.
Bro, illegally detained.
Help me, bro.
Illegally detained.
Give me your other hand.
Dude, you're going to be losing your job. You're getting sued. You're
done?
getting sued, dude.
What have I
You're
done?
losing your job.
Right now.
No crime has been committed.
Can you please help me? That's
Right now I am detaining you, failing to ID.
Here. Can you look it up?
He's literally not committed.
I can, but you're refusing to offer it to me.
He's arresting me for failure to ID.
Right now you're not being arrested.
He's saying he's taking me as Karen.
Right now you're not being arrested.
Sir,
Sir, step back.
What is your name?
Step back.
Up. What's
You're
your
about
name?
to get detained too. Step back.
No, you're not in danger of your life. You're not in fear for your life. You're kidnapping somebody.
Please.
Right now, like I said, you are not under arrest. You are being detained, okay?
That's the same thing. That's the
same thing. I don't consent to any searches.
His tail light was out. His tail light was out. So now he's
allegedly.
His tail light's out.
Please, I do not.
Look at that, Mom.
I'm sorry. Can I ask
Not
what's
at this
going
time.
on?
Right now, he's being detained because he failed to ID. What I'm trying to do is get his ID because he was driving a vehicle
No, he's not
on a
driving.
public
Now you're lying
roadway.
again.
Sir, this is not about you, okay? This is with him.
You keep saying the wrong
Where's your driver's license?
That's under duress.
Okay.
You can under duress. Can I get it for you?
Where is it at?
Under duress.
Where's your driver's
You're
license?
shaking
at?
and it's making me
Where's
nervous.
your driver's license at?
You're shaking, making me nervous.
Okay.
Under duress, it's in my pocket.
In your pocket.
But I'm not giving you jurisdiction because I'm not operating under the commercial
Okay,
code.
that's we're beyond that right now, okay?
All right, under duress, when I'm in handcuffs, can you please get it?
Yes, where is it at?
And you're shaking, it's making me nervous.
Where's your driver's license?
It's in my
Can I
pocket.
ask why he's in handcuffs?
Because right now, when I stepped out of the vehicle, he refused to ID. Okay, what I'm trying to do is identify him. Once I get his identification, so I pulled him over, ma'am.
Wait, I want to ask this.
Okay.
Do you have a way to check his ID through a license tag?
No, I don't.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
You don't have a computer in your car?
You don't have
I do have a computer in my car, but it does not link with the
license plate number?
license plate. Okay. We're gonna step back over here so I can get your ID.
Dude, let him drag you. You're not compliant.
Like I've said, look, they're causing issues beyond the point of what needs to happen. Okay, you're not. I said you are detained right now. Can I see your ID?
For what crime?
Can I see your ID?
If I'm detained, then I'm under.
You said it's in your pocket.
Because he's in fear for his life. What a joke, Peter. Dude, you're fired. You are fired, bro. Losing your job.
Sir.
What a joke.
Sir, you can step back by your car.
Don't even talk to me. Don't say sir to me.
Lean up against
You're
this
not in fear for your life. You're on my property.
I'm not taking the keys. I'll put them back in your pocket, okay?
Are you really gonna arrest me?
I detained you because you failed to ID,
you don't
okay?
You don't get the dictionary.
Where's your license? Because I'm not trying to go all through your wallet.
I don't consent to a search.
I'm not searching. Where's your ID?
Me as a man, and I'll give it to you.
Once we're complete with the traffic stop.
It's not a traffic stop, man.
It is a traffic stop.
You're really gonna get in trouble. Can you talk to your supervisor? It's a traffic stop if I'm a U.S. citizen.
Okay.
I'm not a U.S. citizen.
Do you have some form of an ID?
I have no weapons.
You said it was in your wallet, correct?
Another deputy arrives on scene to deal with Derek while the deputy tries to quickly finish his traffic stop. But it's just not meant to be.
This is driver of this car causing the issues.
Hey, I'm not a driver. I'm not a driver.
Hey, no, you don't tell me what to do. You interjected yourself into the no, get off my property. Get over here now.
Hey, are you the excuse me, sir? Are you the supervisor?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Get away from me. You're interjecting yourself into this traffic stop. Get off my property, you piece of Get over here now. No, you get over here then. He wants to say get over here like I'm a dog. I will get over here. Yeah, exactly. What is going on? Yeah, exactly. Get away from me. 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 Stop. Stop. Help. 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 Give me your hands. Help. Give me your hands now. Help, Mama, help. Take my phone.
What to do?
Take my phone, Mama.
We got 1 minute.
Arresting you for some stupid.
Nothing. He's hurting my wrist. He's breaking my wrist. Get off of me. I can't even breathe. Get back.
Let him go.
Where's my glasses?
I got him.
Give me my glasses. I can't. Stop breaking my arm.
Hey, yo, get back. Step back.
Give me my glasses. I cannot see.
Yo.
You gotta stop.
His glasses are right there.
Those are his glasses, okay. You step out with me.
Hey, you know what you're doing?
What the hell is going on?
Please let us go.
Hey, don't hurt him. He has not committed.
Ma'am, step
Let
back.
him go. You're hurting his shoulder. You're hurting his shoulder. You put him in a Kimura. Crap. What is
I have your glasses. I have your glasses.
Get in my glasses. What's wrong? I've done nothing. Please record this. They're kidnapping me. I've done nothing.
I don't know what's going on.
Can we all talk like adults, please?
Here, you coming with me?
Please talk.
Hey, Rug, I'm putting him in my car. Come on.
Why do
Come
I
with
have
me.
to go in the car?
Because right now you are causing more of an issue. Yes.
What did I do, man? You have my ID, dude. Can you run my ID at least, or what? What are you doing, dude? Why do I have to go in the car if I just stand here, man? Are you serious, man?
Derek, who was in no way involved in the traffic stop, ended up in handcuffs after the deputies chased him inside his home. His mom, Karen Phillips, who's recording on her phone, at one point puts herself between the deputies and her son.
I'm turning towards me. To talk to you, stupid. How stupid
Who's this?
Stay back.
Who is this?
Help! I'm getting kidnapped.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
House. They ran in our house.
I've done nothing wrong. No crime at all. Nothing wrong.
Yeah,
Let's get him in the car. No!
Yes.
I'm not going with you. I've done nothing.
Stand up.
What are you doing?
Stand up.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing. I've done. You're hurting me. My arms are getting
We're
broken.
10-4. Still got one resistance.
Get me your supervisor now. I want a supervisor. Give me a supervisor. I need a supervisor. I'm being kidnapped. I've done nothing. I've done nothing.
Come on.
You're such a piece. I've done nothing wrong.
Get in the car.
Ow! Ow! My arm! Oh.
We're 10-4. Anybody else coming, y'all can reduce. 6-8, you can go for check.
Deputy Peters conducted a traffic stop on this vehicle. I don't.
No.
On that vehicle. I don't know if that's your son, who it is.
Ma'am.
Son came out and is interfering with.
Ma'am.
No.
Would you like to accompany me so I can get my flashlight out of your house?
I don't know if that's your son.
I don't think this needed to go this far.
The deputy goes back inside the home to try to get his flashlight, all the while trying to explain what just happened to Karen. When they come outside, her son can be heard shouting from the backseat of the cruiser.
Please come here. I can't breathe. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Please. I cannot breathe. No air. Please, roll the window down or something, please.
What's going on?
I'm not leaving the door open. I'm not doing it. I'm not going anywhere. You already did do it. Put your foot in the car. Please, I have my cuffs. Please. They're breaking my wrist. We'll check them in a second when you calm down. Just check it right now. I'm right here. I'm not doing anything wrong. Help! I can't breathe.
Are you okay, ma'am?
No.
Okay.
This is too much.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not being funny. Do you need a paramedic?
I don't know.
Okay.
So, what's this guy doing?
So, Cody, I pulled him over. It was a traffic stop. Let's step over here so I can speak with you.
Yeah.
Cody, driving the vehicle over here. The vehicle had no taillights. Simple stop. I was going to get out with him, explain to him, hey, you're already at your residence. It's going to be a simple warning. I don't. Who is this?
This is my son. Right
Your
here,
son?
right there.
Okay. What's his name?
Derek.
Derek. Derek stepped out, started interjecting into the traffic stop, yelling, preventing me from continuing my stop with Cody. Okay, at that point in time, my partner showed up. We attempted to detain Derek due to interfering with public services. That's when he ran into the house. We had to follow him into the house. And at that point in time, he was placed in custody.
Let the law figure it out. You know?
Yes, sir.
He probably don't think he had any right to come into the house or whatever. So.
Well, he was out here interfering with the traffic stop, and when we went to try to detain him, he ran into the house. And at that point in time, we don't know if he's going to retrieve weapons. We don't know exactly what's going on. So, well, you know, me being on this stop, I don't know what's going on. So, so Cody's in cuffs in the backseat of my car. He was just detained because he failed to ID. He's not going to be placed in the jail or anything like that, but he failed to ID. That's what started this whole fiasco.
Derek's father's name is Terry Phillips. He serves as the county commissioner. Karen Phillips is the county's clerk.
I'm on my own property, not interfering at all. Words is not interfering. Away from his investigation. I need to speak with your supervisor because word is not. Can I get my light glasses? Glasses.
I've got him. I'll get him to you.
I don't see anything back there right now.
Yes, ma'am.
You could be arresting me for the same thing.
Okay.
Because I was
Ma'am, do you need EMS?
Standing right here.
Do you need EMS?
You need EMS?
Later, when the deputy asks for her to send in the video she just took, Karen is hesitant.
Ask Mom for video? Yeah. Hey, ma'am. So, Derek is requesting the videos that y'all had taken. Can I get that for evidence?
Not right now.
You don't feel comfortable sharing that with me? Okay. You don't want to give it to me? Okay.
A week later, Karen was arrested and charged with interfering with a public duty. During her trial, the prosecution asked about notes Karen had taken on a phone app in reference to that night, which she said things like, quote, "The video shows myself interrupting a police officer," and, quote, "Why didn't they arrest me that night?" It only took the jury about 40 minutes to return a guilty verdict. It's a Class B misdemeanor, so Karen could face 180 days in jail and a $2,000 fine at sentencing, which is on June 14th. As of this recording, Karen is still listed as clerk on the Smith County website. We end today's After Hours in New Mexico, where another driveway traffic stop's about to make a deputy's night much harder. It's November 2022. The Eddy County deputy's trying to pull over this driver, Brittany Calderon Elizando. And from the very start, things are chaotic.
Yeah, you can let her
Okay.
take your kids.
He's telling me that he was following me the whole time I was inside, but I wasn't followed the whole time. He's trying to tell me that he was following me the whole time I was.
Can I get I need your driver's license, your insurance, and registration,
Can
ma'am.
you show me on your record that you didn't follow me?
Why am I smelling alcohol emitting from your breath?
Follow
Okay.
me.
Okay.
Wait, I have an autistic child.
Okay. Well,
Go
she can take him inside.
Go. Come on, baby. Go, baby. Come on.
All right. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance on this vehicle?
Okay, can you show me that?
I need your license. I'm not doing this game. I need your license, registration, and insurance.
He hasn't followed me with license.
You have one more chance, or I'm going to take you to jail, okay?
Take me to jail. Mom, he wasn't in following me the whole time and loving, and now he's gonna follow me?
That's not how this works. All right, we're done. We're done. Nope. Stop. Stop.
No,
Stop. Stop.
My
Stop.
dad is
Stay
a
over
cop.
there.
You're not gonna. Okay.
Come over here. I am trying to talk to you.
Okay,
You do not want to listen to me.
enough.
You do not want to listen to me. You don't want to do anything.
Mom, okay, enough.
Just tell me, like, when did you?
I clocked her over at 285 past Brantley.
When? I haven't even been at
Stop.
Brantley.
She hasn't been at Brantley.
You're lying because I haven't been at Brantley.
She hasn't been at Brantley.
I haven't been at Brantley.
Stop yelling.
Brantley?
Wait, stop.
I haven't been at Brantley.
I know. Stop.
On Brantley Road.
No, I
On 285.
She
I
hasn't.
passed you.
No, I
I passed you. A black Chevy Silverado doing 93.
No, I haven't.
Eddie 136 Central. I have one female detained.
Stop.
Mom, don't let me fucking
Wait. Where? She's not coming from Brantley.
What's the address here?
309 South 7th.
309 South 7th, Loving.
Mom, no, I haven't.
She wasn't coming out of Brantley.
Okay.
Stop.
Well, that still doesn't.
Okay, stop. Stop. She called me. She was bringing me the kids.
Okay.
Okay.
That wasn't
So
long.
let's.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while. I haven't come from.
So where are you coming from?
I'm telling you.
Where are you coming from then?
Okay, I've come from my boyfriend's
Which is where?
friend's house.
Which is where?
It was off of Thomason.
Off of Thomason. So you have to
Yes,
pass
sir.
Brantley Road to get to Thomason to get here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's
Okay.
what I'm saying. I passed you at Brantley Road, clocking you at 92.
Okay, so question.
I am traveling 100 miles an hour trying to catch up to you,
No.
and you kept driving through Loving, a black Chevy Silverado.
You're lying.
I'm not lying. I don't need to lie about that.
Mom,
And now I'm smelling alcohol coming from your breath, and you have
Test me.
kids in your car.
Test me because I left from there. I told my mom I'm coming to bring my kids so we
and
can
I'm
go.
asking you for your license, registration, insurance,
Okay.
and you're denying that.
no,
okay,
I'm
yes,
not-
you are.
I'm
You
not-
said take you to jail.
No,
so I'm obliging you.
I'm trying. Okay, I'm not
All
trying
you
to be
have
like
do
that.
is just give him your
Okay,
license
that's
and
fine.
the registration.
I will.
Don't argue.
I'm not arguing because
You
you're
are
saying that I
arguing.
came from Brantley.
Okay.
Not Brantley Lake.
Okay.
Okay? Not Brantley Lake. Brantley Road that is on 285 right here.
Okay.
Okay. You have to pass.
Where did you put your lights?
Where did you put your lights at? Here,
I am not going to run
right
license siren. Yes, right here.
Okay, so
Right
why
here.
have you been following me this long and you haven't put
What do
your
you
license
mean? I'm not going to put everyone in danger by running the lights and sirens 100 miles an hour.
She's not gonna run from you.
Why? I'm not
Come
gonna
on
run
over
from you.
Let her give you your
I will
license.
No. Okay, so let me call. No. Now you're taking me to jail for no reason.
Stop.
Wait,
Stop.
listen.
Get in the vehicle.
Swap.
Get in the vehicle.
No.
Get in the vehicle.
Stop. No.
Get in the vehicle right now.
Listen to me.
Get in the vehicle.
Okay, I'm trying to talk.
Okay, I'm going to talk to her.
Listen.
Get in the vehicle.
My dad is the sheriff.
Your dad's the sheriff. Your dad's Mark Cage.
Okay, and I'm
Get
listening.
in the vehicle.
I'm talking
right now.
to you.
Just turn around.
Get in the vehicle.
Listen to me.
Stop.
Okay, talk to me. Talk to me.
I will talk to you when you calm down.
Okay, I'm calm.
No, sit down. I'm going to get your license, registration, all that stuff.
Brittany, please
I'm
calm down.
calm.
Please.
I'm not
Stop
arguing.
down. Stop.
I'm not arguing with you because I'm
You are
crying.
arguing with me.
No. Listen to me.
I
I'm
told you you're
crying
driving
because
92.
I have kids that are in my vehicle.
Okay.
Stop.
So why are you traveling so fast then?
I wouldn't do that to
Why
my...
are you driving so fast?
I have
And why are you intoxicated right now?
Listen to me. I have children
So
that have no dad.
Okay.
Period.
That's fine.
Okay.
Brittany.
I'll be honest with you. I've had a beer.
Okay.
Since I've had those kids.
Okay.
And we stopped.
I understand.
I'm not traveling. I wasn't trying to avoid you.
I never said you were.
Okay. So,
All I said is I clocked you at a 92.
Okay, where?
And I told you I didn't try to stop you until right here.
Why?
You came around this corner.
Why
What
didn't
do you
you stop
mean?
me?
It's against the law to drive 92 in a 65.
I'm telling you.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
So let him check your let him check your stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Please.
So that's the reason why I pulled you over.
Okay.
I pulled you over doing 92 and a 65.
But you're barely pulling me over here. Why
I
didn't
had
you
to
stop me
catch
there?
you. You kept going 92. You kept going.
Let him tell you what he's. Let him tell you. Stop arguing. Let him tell you.
Okay.
Okay. I am trying to catch up to you. I was trying to catch up to you the whole time. From the moment you passed me and you put on your brakes because you saw me.
I didn't see you. I really, honestly, 100.
Okay.
I'm being
okay.
100% honest.
I had to find a turnaround. I turned around on you, and then
Where was
I
that?
floored it,
Where was
doing
that?
100, trying to catch up to
Okay,
you
where was that?
before I could make.
Okay, where was that?
Before I could
Okay,
find the
stop.
Chevy Silverado.
Okay.
Okay.
Where was that?
What do you mean? Where was that?
Where was that?
Will you
Because-
stop?
Yeah.
That's not. Why does it matter where I made a U-turn at?
It doesn't.
I told you where I clocked you at. Brantley Road and 285 at 92 miles an hour.
Okay, tell me because I pulled.
I just told you.
He just
Okay. Where's?
Well, I'm not
Brandon
going to
Road?
keep explaining this.
Tell me 100% honest. Where's Brandon?
Brantley Road is on 285.
I
on
don't know
285.
my roads. I don't pay attention. I've lived
Well,
here
you should
all
know
my
your
life.
roads.
I've lived here.
Well, then you should know
all
your
my life.
roads. I'm not going to argue with you.
Just show him your license
I will-
and
I will-
ID, and he'll give you a ticket. I don't know what he's going to give you, but please do not argue.
wanna
He's
go
just
grab-
I'm
telling
not
you.
arguing.
grab
I'm
all
just
the
trying
stuff
to get
for
to the point where why did he follow me so long? And
I had
now
to catch you.
he's pulling me over.
I had to catch you. Does that not make sense?
Why weren't your lights on?
I turned my lights on when I identified your vehicle.
When you turned around, why didn't you turn the lights on?
Why would I do that?
Why would
That makes no sense. Are you a police officer?
Yes.
No, you are?
I
Where-
know
where's
the
it?
rights.
Okay, you're a police officer.
I know my rights.
Okay, well then get in there. Use your Fifth Amendment
Nope.
right. Get in the car.
Okay.
I'm going to arrest you for resisting. How about
I'm
that?
not arresting you for resisting. I'm not
You
resisting.
can't arrest me.
I'm not resisting though. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Get in the vehicle right
Okay,
now, or I'm going to arrest you.
Okay, listen to me.
Last chance.
Veronica, shut up.
If you do not let me close this door, I'm arresting you.
Listen.
If you don't let me close this door, I'm arresting
so let
you.
me show you my license.
One,
Let
two.
me show you my license. Let me show you my license. Let me show you my license. I'm gonna pee myself. And you're gonna
Get in the vehicle.
Wait.
I'm going to dry
I'm
stun
trying
you.
to talk to you. Honest question.
I'm going to hit you with it. I'm going to hit you with it.
Tase you.
Get in the vehicle.
I'm just asking you a question.
I know, but she's so hard-headed. Let me get you her license.
As other deputies arrive, the responding officer explains the situation. Brittany's mom tries to offer some advice, but Brittany's not having it.
She has like 3 kids in there. How many? They were little kids. How many? You can smell the alcohol coming off her breath.
Yeah, your keys and all that stuff right here.
Okay. The keys are right here, man.
Is she in handcuffs?
Listen, you bang on that window and you damage it, we're gonna charge you.
What
so
am
quit.
I doing?
So
I'm
quit.
sitting here.
You're banging on the window, so stop. I can hear you on the outside.
Hey, listen to her.
Stop.
This lady's trying to talk to you, Brittany.
Can you calm down, please?
Okay, open
Please.
the door and
No, I know, but stop.
You think you know just because you showed up? He hasn't followed me.
She has a mouth on her. Brittany, please. Brittany, calm down, please. Brittany.
Mom.
I know. Just calm.
Call my dad.
Stop. I know. Stop. I know. Stop. I know. Calm down. Calm down. I know. Calm down.
Okay, tell me so.
Okay, then stop banging on the door.
Stop banging on the door.
He said, listen to me. Listen to me.
If your mom can hear it too.
Brittany. Brittany. Britt.
I just got a text.
That's okay, ma'am.
I just got
Brittany.
a text.
He's being, listen to me. He's being nice enough. He says he's not going to arrest you if you listen to him. If he gives you a ticket for speeding, whatever, you have to go. Okay, then stop. Stop, because then now he's going to take you. We don't need you to go, Brittany. You got the kids here. Please, stop. Okay, then. Then I know. So stop, please. Well, then don't act dumb like that. Okay, then. Don't act dumb. He's telling you he's not going to arrest you if you listen. Oh, no, you need to stop. Okay, then stop. Stop. Okay, then stop crying. That's enough, and quit acting dumb.
Brittany's mom offers up some of the same excuses as her daughter shrieks in the background.
So, here, let me talk to you over here. So, that officer over there tried to pull her over on the main highway for speeding, and she refused to stop all the way to this house.
But
So
he says he barely turned the lights on when he got over here.
Okay, he had told me he pulled her over on the main highway. That's what I got, but I don't know.
On the main highway.
Did he?
But
Okay.
he's telling me he only turned on the lights when he got right here.
Got you. That's fine. Well,
So that's what
and the
she's
biggest,
arguing. That's what
right.
she's arguing
I
about.
understand. I understand. And he believes her to be under the influence. She reeks of alcohol. She will get. Court is the place to fight stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, but we'll try to keep things as peaceful as possible.
Oh my God. This girl.
How old is she?
26.
26. Got you.
Yeah, he says he didn't turn on the lights till he got over here. That's what.
Oh, okay,
that
I
was
got
her
you.
question.
I might have misunderstood him. Yeah.
So, and I guess that's why she's upset, because she's saying, how come he didn't turn them on till he was right here?
Right. Right.
Britt. Oh my God, this girl. Britt. Will she go to court on Monday morning, right?
Probably, yeah. Probably.
Luna, get over there, Luna.
Yeah, she'll probably get to see a judge Monday, I'm sure.
Britt, zip it, zip it. You should have been talking to him right. If not, you wouldn't be sitting there.
That's why they get in trouble. That's why.
And he told me, did he tell me he had the keys to the truck?
We'll figure that out for you.
We want to give you a closer look at just what the arresting officer was dealing with as he read Brittany her rights.
You are under arrest for DWI. Stop and listen to me. Stop and listen to me.
I didn't blow nothing.
Listen to me. You are under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take the test, he needs to get the children's names. Okay. Because with any type of DWI with children involved, we have to contact Central Lights, CYF. Not saying I'm taking your kids away. Not saying anything like that. We just have to make a report. Okay? So he's going to get that information from me, okay? And I'm going to take her to jail before she starts catching more charges.
Okay.
How many kids are there?
3.
The deputy doesn't say a word during the ride to jail, but Brittany seems to go through an entire solo therapy session.
I have no reason to fight her. It was the reason why he came to me and why he grabbed me the way he did. It had no reason to do with what I did or anything because I was compliant. I told him I would take the test. I told him I would take a test. I have no reason to not take a test. Yeah, I flat out told him I drank a beer. So what? I drank a beer. I drank a beer and I let it go. I don't have to explain to y'all, oh, this and that. I'm not a drug addict. I'm not an alcoholic. I'm not nothing. But yeah, when I was going through domestic violence, did y'all arrest the beat my? Did y'all arrest the straight threaten my kids? Did you? No.
Mexico 044-001.
You let it be as a person, but yet you hurt my kids. And did you do anything? No, not once. But yet put kids in danger, put my kids in danger. Did y'all do anything? No, not a thing. Not even jail time. Not even to try to even arrest him. Not a. Because I am. I'm a boss. Take care of my kids day in and day out. I don't drink to take care of my kids. I don't act like a slob to take care of my kids. I take care of my kids because they don't have a dad that does for them. I do for them.
Brittany was charged with aggravated DUI while under the influence, 3 counts of abuse of a child, resisting an officer, speeding, and no driver's license. We were unable to find an update on her court case at the time of this recording. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Law&Crime After Hours is researched, written, executive produced, and all videos are found by Savannah Williamson. Video editing is done by the Mikey Deininger. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut the